Hi everyone, this is Ina with innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. It's almost Mother's Day weekend and I cannot share with you one very excited recipe, very quick and easy, and I think every child can make for their mom or grandma or really for anybody. This is super easy and can be good for breakfast, brunch, lunch, really snack, afternoon, or really anything. This is sweet pizza. This recipe is so easy because take shortcuts and basically everyone can do in no time. It doesn't take much prep. All you need to get, if you don't want to make, pizza dough. You can buy, and I actually using today the pizza dough based on my recipes that I previously just published, my cinnamon rolls, sourdough cinnamon rolls, and I'm using just 1/4 of that recipe, and it will be enough to make one 16-inch pizza dough. But if you buy pizza dough, just buy one pizza dough package and use it. So that's all I'm going to use. And this is sweet sourdough. Oh, how beautiful. You see the bubbles? It's alive. The dough is really alive. This recipe is so easy. All you need pizza crust. Pizza crust and very available ingredients for the frosting. It's cream cheese, butter, some honey, and we're going to decorate with some fruit. Any fruit you like, any fruit is available. Of course, now it's a strawberry season, so I'm going to use strawberry. And my oldest son really requests chocolate, so I'm going to sprinkle with a little bit chocolate just for him. This is dough, so easy and very forgivable. Even it's sourdough, but it's no fast dough. It's easy to work, easy to make, and I will link in description below the recipe for this dough. You can make even ahead of time up to 24 hours and still able to use it. Use any baking sheet you have. If you don't have pizza around one, use square. Doesn't matter really. It doesn't change the flavor of your pizza. And to prevent puffiness, I like to poke with a fork and place in the oven for 375 degrees for about 10 minutes, and keep eye on. You don't want to get brown, you just want to get settled. And while our pizza crust baking in the oven, make this simple cream cheese frosting. All you need, one package of cream cheese, which is super easy, room temperature, and 1/4 cup of soft butter. I'm using salted butter, but use any butter you like, just a good quality of course. And I'm using 1/3 cup of raw local honey. And about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Yes. Everything with vanilla smells extra special good. And now just beat everything. Normally I use in my household often kefir cheese. Since the frosting we are not going to bake, we're going to eat just like on frosting on a cupcake. In this case it's a pizza. But for convenience, I think cream cheese is more available for everybody and easy to find. So that's what I'm using today. So the frosting is done. It's nice, fluffy and creamy and pretty delicious too. Oh yes, so good. And let's get some toppings, fun toppings. It's a nice dark chocolate. I'm using Beyond Good, one of my favorite brand of chocolate. And it's 80% dark. We're not going to use whole bar, probably just a half, 30 grams or so. We'll see. I may change my mind. Yesterday we went to pick some strawberries with whole family, and this is hands down the best strawberry I have ever had since I live in the United States. They're so delicious, so yummy. I'm going to keep tops just for the beautiful color. I need some greens. If you have some mint around to garnish pizza, we need more colors. That's why I chose bloody oranges and regular oranges just to give more colors. The more contrast color with the white frosting would make more beautiful and faster pizza. But you are the boss of your pizza and make the one you like. Maybe you have blueberries or blackberries, raspberries. Blackberries actually in the season now too in South Carolina. So whatever you can find, use it. And by using sourdough pizza crust, and I have regular sourdough pizza crust recipe on my website, and I will link below recipe how to make that pizza crust. Sourdough is just better for your digestion and just better for you overall. So I encourage you to make as healthy as possible. But if you are pinching time and if you are too busy, use store-bought. Doesn't matter. So the topping is ready, the cream is ready. Now let's take our pizza. Now we need to wait for pizza crust to cool down a little bit because you don't want to melt your cream cheese frosting on a hot pizza crust. Kind of like cupcake or cake, right? So we need to wait a little bit, and I like to keep on a granite corner top. It's speed up process of cooling. Everything cool down much faster. So we need to wait for 10 minutes. The pizza crust is nice and room temperature. Apply this delicious cream cheese frosting all over. And now arrange your fruit. I think the combination of orange and chocolate is always a good idea. And look how pretty. You can decorate the way you like. I'm not the best when it's come to garnishing or decorating, but it's beautiful crust. Nice. So delicious. Chocolate. Cream cheese without sugar, sourdough crust, strawberry. It's so good. It just perfect combination, and I hope you'll make for your mom, for your wife, or really for anybody this delicious, a kind of healthy breakfast with a cup of coffee. I will link in the description below all recipes similar related, and give me like, subscribe if you like, and share with your friends. Bye, see you next time.